Heard there was a secret chord David played when he plays the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? And it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major left, cold and Gabriel roses, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.